Hello, young astronomers. It just occurred to me, I'm having you look for all of these sundials in different places. I wanted to show you one that is somewhat interesting here on the Cranbrook campus. There it is. This is something called an Armillary sphere. I've always had problems with this particular one because it does in fact, it's not lined up right. It's not aligned properly, it doesn't read properly. So I'm trying to get the people around here to fix this and get this working. But here's one that has, I guess, some sort of cultural significance. It sits here, all the students pass by it, and probably most of them don't know that it's a sundial. We can look at some of the details of how it works. So there are the various astrological signs. There's Aries, the ram. There's Taurus, the bull, with the astrological symbols. There's some people in the middle. Not quite sure who those are. I have to check and find out. That requires some research. And in the middle there we see the hours set there. And if you can barely see the shadow, it looks like it's between 12 and 1 o'clock. About 12:30 or so. But when I'm actually doing this video, it's 12:45. Alright, we've got some problems here because this is not taking into account daylight savings time, of course, and it's also not corrected for the equation of time between local and mean time. Plus, the whole thing is supposed to be lined up north-south. I'm now pointing the camera directly in the north, and you can see that the axis that goes through this thing isn't pointing up towards the North Star Polaris. It's offset to the left a little bit. Yeah, okay, so this sundial has some problems with it, but it's a very beautiful sculpture. I'd love to have somebody actually fix this so that it reads properly. But there you go, there's my example, one more example of sundials to look for. Hopefully you're having success looking for interesting sundials yourself. Let me know what you come up with.